Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about manifesting on a time crunch. Is it possible? Absolutely yes. But before doing so, I first want to set and clear your mindset around it. You must have heard that time is an illusion. If you have not heard about it, you can study it for yourself or you can learn from Albert Einstein through his quotes where he has mentioned about illusion of time. What is the illusion? The illusion is our mindset about past, present, and future. When we come to manifesting, we realize the only thing which matters is the present moment. Before moving forward, if you like the video, please hit the like button and share your views in the comment box below. Understanding that past and future are illusion of mind. The question is, why do we want to manifest on a time crunch? And mostly it is because of fear of not getting what we want, and also because of our obsession to control how and when. What really happens is our egoic mind wants to control and take care of everything. But as a manifester, it is our job to remind ourselves that we are the controller and not our ego. You practice being this new version of yourself. You work on being in alignment with your desires, and as a result, you manifest them in the physical reality. And that is the fastest way to manifest your desires. But wait, I'll also share with you step by step methods that you can do to manifest your desires on a time crunch. And that I'll share in my next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.